Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q1 of the weekly contest 205. Replace all question marks to avoid consecutive repeating characters. So this one, this one's a little bit tricky. It's brute force in a way, but it's a tricky way to do brute force. But the way that I did it, my code is a little ugly. And actually, to be honest, this is probably the problem that I had the most trouble with relatively on this contest. But my idea was that, okay, so let's say you have, and I was worried about getting WA during the contest, so definitely something to think about. But let's say, like, at the worst case, you could have 3 question marks, right? And what does that mean, right? That means that each question mark has only 2 neighbors, which is previous and the next, right? Which is obvious. But what that means as well as the next step is that, well, that means that at worst, with the pigeonhole principle or whatever you want to call it, that means that this could at most be A, or let's say, and I chose a greedy way, right? So you use A, B, and C, but you could do it with any number of characters. But let's say in this case, if this is A, this is B, then this has to be C, right? And that's pretty much the concept that I used to solve this problem, because based off this, everything else, yeah. Because, okay, if one of these is A, then this otherwise, and this is anything else, then you just use B, and so forth. So that's kind of my concept here, is that you only have to brute force over using 3 characters, A, B, and C, because at worst, you're just going to need a 3rd character. And that's kind of how I wrote my code here. And this is linear time because, we look at each character once. But if it's a question mark, I look at the previous one to see if they're an A. If one of them is an A, we look at to see if any of the previous ones are B. If we're here, if we're here, that means that a A and a B exist, so we add a C. Otherwise, we add a B. Otherwise, we just add an A. And then if it's not a question mark, you just add the character because you have to. And that's pretty much how I solved this problem. I struggled a little bit with this, and also because I got some if statements incorrectly, but definitely let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you can watch me solve it live right about now. What the? What was I looking at? Oh, oops. What? Oh, this isn't right. Hmm. That was a slow one. Hey everybody. Yeah, thanks for watching this explanation of this video. Definitely give me feedback, ask questions, because the more questions you ask, more feedback you give me, then it lets me know what kind of answer to give you for next problems, right? And so I'm trying to learn from this. So yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, and I will see y'all next contest. Bye bye.